Over the last year, I've worked closely with creative entrepreneurs who all had one thing in common. They were showing up online, but nothing felt like it was clicking. They were posting consistently, experimenting with paid ads, trying shortcuts, yet visibility was low. Growth was slow and differentiation felt almost impossible. Confusion, overwhelm, a sense of what am I doing wrong was the norm. But then something shifted when they stopped chasing hacks and started committing to content marketing. Ciao, y'all. I'm Kara, content marketer, strategist, and founder of the Museum Creative, where I help creative arts entrepreneurs build intentional AI-powered content strategies that support sustainable growth and creative fulfillment. If you're an art brand, museum professional, or a creative entrepreneur trying to build a meaningful online presence, but you're feeling lost, I want this video to bring clarity. Content marketing isn't a quick fix. It's not about instant virality or overnight success. When it's done purposefully, consistently, and with your audience at the center, it becomes one of the most powerful long-term growth tools you can use. Let me walk you through why content marketing works so well for art brands and how it helps you grow without selling your soul to algorithms. Content marketing helps you showcase your unique story. Art brands don't struggle with creativity. They struggle with translating meaning into messaging. Your story, your vision, your journey, your why, they all represent your greatest asset. But if it stays locked inside your work, your audience can't connect with it. This is where content marketing shines. Through blog posts, videos, newsletters, and social content, you get to share the stories behind your work, reveal your values and creative process, build emotional connection, not just awareness. When people understand why you create, they're far more likely to trust you and stay. And trust is the foundation of every sustainable brand. Content marketing lets you educate and engage. Here's something I've seen repeatedly in the art and creative space. People are hungry for context and hands-on solutions. They want to learn so they can fulfill their needs. They want to understand and be understood. They want to feel closer to the work and the mind behind your brand name. Content marketing allows you to educate without selling. You can create content that explains your techniques or inspirations, breaks down complex ideas in simple, helpful ways, inspires curiosity, reflection, and conversation. When you teach and share generously, something powerful happens. You naturally become a trusted voice in your niche. That's how engagement shifts from passive scrolling to meaningful interaction and ultimate conversions. Content marketing strengthens your digital presence. Visibility today isn't optional, and this is where many art brands feel overwhelmed. But content marketing offers a more sustainable alternative to constant ads. SEO-focused captions, blogs, long-form videos, and any other thoughtful content help you show up in search results over time, including AI searches, attract people already interested in what you offer, build visibility that compounds instead of disappearing. Each piece of content becomes a digital asset working for you long after it's published, just like I've experienced with my blog content. Not louder marketing, remember, but smarter marketing. So if there's one thing I'd like you to remember from today's video, it's this. Content marketing isn't about doing more. It's about creating with intention. When your content aligns with your business goals and your audience's needs, growth stops feeling forced and starts feeling organic. It takes time, it takes testing, no doubt on that, but the payoff is real, meaningful, and sustainable. I wouldn't be here telling you this otherwise. So, if you're an art brand or creative entrepreneur ready to stop guessing and start building your presence with clarity, make content marketing your foundation. If this video helped you, make sure to download my free guide, 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing, designed to help you simplify your brand strategy and create content that actually supports your energy. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights on AI-powered content strategy, digital visibility, and creative brand growth. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!